everyone. This is the month of June, and this is the week one of the month of June. We are with yet another energy update for you. So, today we are going to dive into their current feelings for you, your partner's current feelings for you, what they are hiding or not saying to you, their next move towards you in the month of June, week one, the love energy between you both, and advice from spirit guides. This is what we are going to dive in today. This is week one of June, and this particular collective energy will resonate with majority of you. So hi guys, my name is Neha Tanka. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. So today's energy update is a timeless energy update. No matter when you are watching it, it is going to resonate with majority of you. You are going to find this particular update when you are supposed to find it. So it doesn't matter whenever you're watching this particular video, even after a year, this is going to resonate with you. All right. So let's start. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, take your person's name and hit the like button for the energy exchange and to connect with my energies as well. Drop June is going to be full of love for me in the comments box. Okay? June is going to be full of love for me. And let's start. Let's dive into it. Connect to my energies by liking this particular video, and this particular video is going to resonate with people who have liked this particular video right now. The very first card that came out is the Star. Such a beautiful beginning. Such a beautiful beginning. Wow. The Star card tells me that somewhere down the line, guys, I do see that there is a lot of healing, there's a lot of positivity, there's a lot of patience. As soon as you enter this particular month, I do see that there are good things coming, there are good things happening in your connection. The connection is going to bring in a lot of healing for you in the month of June. In case you've been struggling, in the recent past, and there has been a lot of hurt, there has been a lot of baggages, and there has been a lot of issues in your connection. Now I see that this particular month is going to bring in a lot of healing, and you are sort of healing yourself, healing this particular connection. Your partner is helping you to do that as well, and there's a lot of balance, there's a lot of hope, and all of a sudden there's a lot of positivity that has come in this particular connection, I see. So yes, definitely there is a lot of healing energies that I see, a lot of patience and a lot of positivity that has come in this particular connection. I do see with the 6 of Pentacles, somewhere down the line, this person uh, in the past, was only a taker and you were the giver, and there was a major huge imbalance in this particular connection. But now I see that things are going to balance out on its own. The 6 of Pentacles tells me that somewhere down the line, now you are also going to receive from this person whatever imbalance was there. Now this person will start putting in efforts, and the entire situation will start balancing out. Oh my god, look at the cards, guys. I mean, 2 of Cups. You are in a soulmate situation. That is a very strong situation to say, but you are in a soulmate situation, and I do see good things happening to you. I do see that, June is the month wherein the love and the bond will become very strong, very, very strong. Okay, their feelings towards you will become very strong. They are going to offer you, and there is a whole lot of renewal in love energies in the month of June. This person is going to do so many things for you. They are going to shower you with gifts, they are going to surprise you, they may give you surprises. I do see a lot of good things happening. I see a lot of gifting also happening. I do see the situation is becoming balanced now. This person is going to come to you, and they are going to propose to you again. If you're already in a relationship, they are going to propose to you. In case if you have been waiting for those 3 magical words, you know it, right? I love you. This is the time when they are going to propose to you as well. If you've been waiting for a reunion, then again this is going to happen within this particular week itself. This week seems to be bringing a lot of hope, healing, love, and a soulmate energy in the connection. I do see that in case if you have been upset or angry with them, they are going to melt you like this. Okay, they are going to approach you, they are going to come back to you, and they are going to say things which will make your heart flutter and which will make your heart melt. I do see that they are going to surprise you and shower you with gifts as well in this particular week. I do see that initially, you have chased them enough. Okay, they were the runner, you were the chaser, but then I feel that in the recent past you stopped doing that. You took your power back in your hands and you stopped doing that. And even though you stopped doing that, you were very concerned about the future, and so was this person. They were losing their sleep that all of a sudden, where have you gone? Why is it that you are not approachable anymore? They felt very lonely, they felt scared that they have no one else apart from you, and intuitively they felt that there is a disconnect that you both have right now. And they came rushing in, they came back to you. Now they are chasing you in this particular week. There may have been some sleepless nights, there may have been things which were not matching up to you in the recent past, but this person is going to put in so much effort that all of a sudden you will also feel intuitively that is he or she my soulmate. And this person has been totally stuck, awestruck on you, and so have you haven't been able to move on, they haven't been able to move on, and finally they gave up, they broke the no contact situation, and they realized that you are the one for them, and they shouldn't have treated you the way they have. But they're also scared, what if they approach you and you are very upset and you don't agree to whatever they will say? And maybe what if you have moved on, or you're still stuck on them? That's something I see. Fool here, new beginnings this week. All right, I do see that the wheel of fortune is turning in your favor. A lot of positivity is coming in, lot of positivity is coming in, all the negativity is going to get over, that cycle is coming to fruition. I do see that this person definitely is looking for a closure on the negative cycle. They want to come back, they want to have a new beginning with you, they want to have a new beginning and a positive one. They want to put in efforts, and they are sick and tired of fights and all that stuff. But I also feel, not all of you, but few of you, I feel that there has been a third party interference, and the third party has been influencing your person a lot. Maybe a mother figure as well can be a situation, because you know uh, can be a situation here with your person, that a mother or somebody, a female figure, is interfering here. A third party situation seems to be a female, especially, is seems to be a part of this particular connection for a few of you, not majority of you. And that person doesn't want to give up when it comes to you and them. Okay, so there is a power struggle that was happening in the past, very few of you, but now I see that you guys are reconciling, you guys are catching up, and maybe that female figure is also kind of melting down to this particular situation or the relationship that you guys share. I do see them messaging you, I do see them connecting with you, I do see that there's a lot of things which are being exchanged between you and them. And I do see that somewhere down the line, you guys, even if they would have blocked you or something, they are going to unblock you and they are going to ask you out. I see a lot of regrets, they are regretting the way they treated you or the way they behaved with you. They understand and realize that the kind of love, emotions, and the support that you offered them, nobody else can do that. And right now, because initially they did not accepted your cup of love, now they are all set, they are out of that zone wherein they were feeling very disconnected, disheartened, influenced, under the influence of so many people. Now they are coming out of it, and now they are ready to accept this cup of love. I do see new beginning, I do see manifestation. The third party may have done some magical spell work as well, can be a white magic, can be a black magic, but I do see some spell work in the picture over here. So I do see that, or maybe you have done a spell work which is now taking effect on your person. I do suggest that in this particular situation, if you feel there is a third party intervention, maybe a mother, sister, or a third person in this connection, a friend or probably an ex or whatsoever, then you can go for the third party removal. Again, third party removal spell has given me awesome results. You can go ahead and check in my Feedback, spell feedback section, there will be 2 or 3 highlights because the highlights gets full. So obviously there is um, some amount of feedback only I can upload, not all of them. And in case if you want to reconcile, go for the love reconciliation and communication spell work. And if you want everything combined, you can go for the 21 days love combo. All right, because the success rate, as always say, I always recommend people who are following me, they already know that I always recommend this, right? So I do see that there's a lot of good things happening in week 1 of June. This person is going to come to you, speak to you, they are going to come out of that stagnant position, and they are going to realize, apologize, give in this particular relationship, and I do see good things happening. This person may even commit to you or offer you this particular marriage. Okay. Oh my god, marriage commitment on the cards, guys. Some celebration is definitely there. I see that this person is going to come forward, they are going to propose you for marriage as well. Initially in the recent past, they were juggling, they were egoistic, and they did end the connection as well. Some thought process that ended either in you or in them. Okay, but I do see that this person was juggling, and now they are going to come forward with a strong offer and a strong commitment towards you. So guys, in case if you want more insights in this particular reading, you can DM me, you can book a reading with me. I'm open to take personal reading. That will be a tailor made session for the insights in your connection, in your life. You can ask me unlimited question for the minutes you would like to book. And in case if you want to go ahead and reunite with your person, then you can go ahead with the spell work. Trust me guys, the success ratio of my spell works are really good. Okay, so if you want help in reuniting, reconciling with your partner, then you're at the right place. So in case if you're a cross watcher, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I come online, you are being notified. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram because I put daily energy updates and videos, short form content there. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Till that time, bye bye and take care.